If you're watching this video, it's probably because you just treated yourself to the Vive Mobility Rollator Walker Series T. Congratulations and thank you for choosing Vive. In this video, we're going to show you the easiest way to unbox your new favorite daily essential. If we go too fast, no problem. Feel free to pause or rewind at any time, or pause and call our customer service number so we can better assist you. That's 239-266-7940. To get started, be sure the box is facing up and carefully open the box using a box cutter knife or scissors. Once you open the flaps, you'll see the manual sitting right on top. Feel free to use the manual at any time during the assembly. You'll find the front wheels on top in protective wrap, as well as the included rollator bag. Take them out, remove the wrappings, and set them aside to attach later. Now the 16-pound frame of the rollator is all that's left. Lift that out of the box and remove the wrappings. You'll notice there is cardboard to protect the rollator from getting scratched during shipment. We can take that off now to get it ready for you to put together. Be sure to check both sides of the rollator. Next, open the rollator by pulling apart on the handles and pressing down on the seat. When you hear the click, you'll feel the rollator lock into place. That's how you know it's safe to sit on. For the next step, flip the rollator upside down. Those wheels you set aside earlier, those pop right into place in the front wheel slot. Take a look at one of the sides of the rollator and you'll notice the black wheels are folded down. To unfold, pull the tabs on the side of the leg toward the wheel until the lock is free of the groove. Hold the tab in place while unfolding the leg. Release the tabs to allow the bar to lock in place in the unfolder position. Repeat that on the other side. Just attach the travel bag with the secure fastener straps and you're ready to go anywhere with your new Vive Mobility Rollator Walker Series T. We wish you safe and happy travels. Are you happy with your new daily essential? Let us know by leaving a comment, review, or call us at 239-266-7940. Let's live better.